Yo, welcome and welcome to Joseph Visual. If this is the first time you seeing my channel, please take a few minutes and like these videos and subscribe to the channel. And at the end of this video, please comment your thoughts and tell us what you think about this tutorial. In this tutorial, the aim is to show you how you can make a studio pics right from your phone. Yes. Instead of you to go to photographer to go and pay money, of course, you know how much you can pay to get this type of view. Let me just show you. All these videos like pictures like this, you can see, very beautiful. Look at, very. You can see right here. You can make something like this. Something like this, you know how much you can pay for it. Even if you are a couple, if you want to marry, you can make something like this following this tutorial that I'm about to show you. All right. Look at, you can make something like this for yourself right from your phone. So I'm about to show you in this tutorial. So you can just turn ordinary photo to professional pictures. All right, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do, but before we get right into it, please, I want to show you these prompts. You need these two prompts. Yeah, these two prompts here, you can see this is a prompt that you need to do this tutorial. Now, just take a minute and screenshot. I will try and provide these prompts in the description of this video. Now, take a screenshot of this prompt if you want to get it easily. Try it. Just take a screenshot of this and then give it to ChatGPT. If you know how to do that, you can do it. Give it to ChatGPT and then tell ChatGPT write to write the content of that picture in Word. The ChatGPT should remove it and write it for you. So that means you can get this writing in ChatGPT and then you copy it and use it. That may be easy, but if you don't want to go follow that way, check in the description of this video. I will provide these prompts for you. Thank you very much. All right. So now, what we need to do right here is, first of all, you need to go to the market, or if you want to sew clothes. For those of us that used to use what do they even call the dialogue, they start choosing styles. So you need to choose styles. Even though if you want to take pictures, you need to choose styles before they can take you that picture. That's the styles that we want to take. Is it this one that you love to take? Is it this type of style? Uh, Network, okay. So is it this type of style that you like? Or which type of style do you like? Is it this type? If you are a woman, which type of style do you like? Is it this type? You can choose any one that you like right here. All right. So the one that we want to choose, let's check for studio. Just go to your Pinterest. Sorry, this is a Pinterest app. I didn't mention it before. This is Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest and then type studio photo ideas. Studio photo ideas. You can see it here. Studio photo idea. Just type it and many of them will come out. You can see studio photo idea. So what you need to do, choose your own style. If you are a man, choose your own style. Which style do you want to take to use? You can even use it as a profile pics. Choose your own style. Then search for it. So I'm searching for the style that I want to take or I want to use. Yes. Okay, let me work on this one. This one right here, you can see. So what you need to do, come over here and click it. It will show download over here. Then download the image. If you download the image, it has downloaded, as you can see here, right here. It's downloaded. So if you download the image, then go to your ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT. And then the image that you download, you can just paste in that image inside ChatGPT. Right, like this. After I paste in that image like this in ChatGPT, minimize and go to where you found the prompt that I want to provide for you. Now you copy this first prompt first. You can, if you see that it's prompt 1 and 2, copy only this first one like this. Copy only the first one. You can copy it and go again to ChatGPT. Paste that prompt. You can paste the prompt inside. You know, if you copy the video, if you paste in the video, you will not send it to ChatGPT yet. Just click the photo and paste in the video. Sorry, paste in the photo. You will not send the photo yet. So when you copy the prompt like this and paste in the prompt, then you click this send right here. You click send. Now we are asking the ChatGPT to describe the photo for us in Word. It will describe the photo that is seen for us in Word. Look at it here. Describe everything that it sees in this photo around here. So now after that is done, the trick is if you get your prompt, this prompt right here, if you get this prompt, you need to copy the prompt and go to your either your notes or any of the document that you know that you can edit and copy. Yes, you copy it and paste it there. So now what we want to do is to copy what ChatGPT have given us. Look at it here. It's very simple. Copy it right like this. You copy it, all this has been copied, and then go to that the prompt. So we want to make it a master prompt. Yes, that is what we want to. We want to make it a master prompt. Now, what you need to do here is to paste that prompt that you copy from ChatGPT, this prompt right here that I copy from ChatGPT, you paste it at the middle of this one and this one. Paste it at the middle like this. Now I want to paste it. I've pasted the prompt. Very nice. After you paste the prompt, when we are copying, we are not copying this one. We are not copying this one again because we already copied it. What we want to copy now is from these two down. So and from these two down has become a master prompt. You know, I told you that you need two prompts, and then the two prompt will give birth to one prompt that we want to use. Now, use this prompt here, right here. You can edit it like this. Remove this create and put generate a photorealistic. Now you can start from here and copy it. Start from there and copy the full prompt. And then we are heading to Gemini. And then you click copy right here. Remember, you are starting from here, from that 2 downward. Then let's head over to Gemini. These are Gemini. And then in this Gemini, this is where you bring in your own picture, your own raw picture. Anyhow you take the picture, whether it is selfie or someone take you the picture, you bring in that picture right here. So what you need to do, click this plus button right here, this plus button, and then the next thing you need to do, you click this photo right here. You click it, you can agree to it if this is your first time using the Gemini. Then bring in that photo that you want to use. Bring in that photo like this. You can see that's a photo. That's a photo. So you allow it to load. So check it is loading. So and then when it's done loading, you can put in the prompt that you copy, the overall prompt that you copy from your notes from here. This overall prompt right here. You start from 2 and copy it downward. So that is the prompt that we put in right here. You put in all those prompts here, right? And then you are going to click generate. Then let's wait for Gemini to generate the picture for us. It's generating, so let's wait for it a minute. So you can see this is the pictures right here. I can go back to that picture that I download and show you. Let me go back so that you can see the similarity of that picture. Now look at the pictures right here. You can see the picture and then see the one that we create. Everything is the same. You can see the picture, the watch, the phone that I hold, the bag, everything is the same. Just imagine how you take this type of picture to, or you paid for someone to take this type of shots for you. You pay a lot. So just do it. Now, there is something I want to show you again. If you can check, there is a watermark right here. You can, don't worry. I'm going to show you how you can remove that watermark. So what you need to do here is to download your picture. Come here and save your picture. Download your picture in full size. Now, after you finish downloading your picture, so after you download it, then you go to your Play Store and search for Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser, this is how it looked like. Magic Eraser, we want to remove that watermark right here. Open it, Magic Eraser, then after you open it, then start, just click this remove objects right here. Let me show you. Click the remove objects, then this is a picture and click it. So we want to remove this watermark right here, this Gemini watermark right here. What you need to do is to use brush. You can reduce this brush, then use your finger, and maybe you can increase it like this so you can remove it very well. Then use your finger to draw a line. So if you draw a line, like, just use your finger. First of all, see where I'm clicking, this place right here. You click the detector, so it will detect any of the spot. Then you click remove, then wait for it. Very fast, it has disappeared. Then, so after that, you click this arrow here, this next, click the next, and then save my picture to where? To my gallery. So thank you so much for staying with us till this time. Thank you for, please comment and like this video. Also subscribe to the channel, please. If you want to join our WhatsApp channel so that you can receive more updates on AI tools and video editing, please check it on our channel description. You'll see the channel and then you click and join. All right. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you on our next tutorial. Bye.